A Piña Colada made with saltwater woody pineapple flavored rum, but you can't drink just one. Bottle, that is. Cheers. All right, guys, the first step to making a Piña Colada is get yourself a blender and a blender cup and put in 2 ounces of coconut cream. This stuff is the best thing ever. Put it in a squeeze bottle if you want your life to be easy, and I want my life to be easy. 2 ounces. Next, we're going to put in 1 ounce of heavy cream. On the 7th day, God rested. On the 8th day, he made heavy cream. Next up, everyone's favorite, pineapple juice. I mean, what's a Piña Colada without the piña? Freshly squeezed by the Dole Corporation. 4 ounces. A dash of Angostura bitters. Just a dash will do you. Next, we're going to use this pineapple flavored rum liqueur called Saltwater Woody Grilled Pineapple Flavored Rum. Let's give it a try. I mean, it's a Piña Colada after all, so I say double the freaking pineapple. You know, I've never tried this before, so let's give it a shot. Damn, smells good. Oh yeah, that's going to make one heck of a good Piña Colada. 2 ounces. The perfect pour. There we go. So that's all the ingredients. Now we need ice. Because what's a Piña Colada if it's served warm? Gross. Oh, I wish you guys could smell that. It smells freaking delicious. And now let's garnish it up with a couple of cherries. Just to get some color and some good flavor. Bloop. Should have used a toothpick, but I'm a boozer on a budget. Can't afford toothpicks. All right, there you go. So that's how you make a Piña Colada using saltwater woody pineapple flavored rum. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Mrs. Amora, I made 2. 1 for you and 1 for me.
Yay, thank you.
Cheers to Mrs. Amora.
Cheers.
Now that goes down easy on a hot summer day, my friends.